Hello viewers, if you see that your RAM is not going to free or you need that every software have to work in its own bounds to ensure the computer swift working, so a very easy method but a little time consuming. So now start button plus run and type mdsched.exe. Click OK and now restart now and check for problem. Now your system will do scannings, first phase, and after this next second phase, both will go up to 100, and after that your PC will start functioning smoothly. This will automatically keep the software into its own bound as well as the RAM will go free. Now automatic restart will be appeared. At the end you may see computer generated report and it's done. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching.